In recent weeks, the leaks of the new Miui have stormed the internet. It first surfaced on tiny social media while being tested as an early beta on the Mi12 series. Later, all the reliable sources confirmed that it was actually being tested, and screenshots of the new OS have been leaked following the rumors. The MIUI 14 is speculated to release around the end of this year or early next year with Android 13. With that being said, you are probably wondering what improvements will this operating system provide to MIUI users. The major goal of this new OS is to make the most streamlined and lightweight flagship mobile system yet ever seen. If you are excited about this update, let us run you through what you are to expect. First thing first, they have a new MIUI logo. It has bright blue, purple and pink colors with a combination of number 14 in white transparency. The new logo is a delight to look at. Moving forward to the new features this update will provide for the users. They have a new makeover in terms of design and animation for Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco. It has redesigned certain utilities such as the clock, weather, calculator and calendar tools. The gallery for this OS will now have the ability to recognize text as seen previously on Android 13. They will also feature a new widget menu and bubble notification feature, and it will allow users to uninstall system applications now. They also have an upgraded security system and anti-fraud protection that will automatically check in on incoming calls and messages to manage security risk and fraud calls and messages on your device. The MIUI 14 will have an improved battery life, a better multitasking performance, and overall better performance. It will not feature advertisements and is designed to be bloatware-free. Moving forward to eligible devices for this update. This update will only be accessible on flagship devices, and later it will roll out on other phones of Xiaomi. For Redmi users, this upgrade will be available on devices above Redmi 10. Similarly, for Poco users, this update will be available for devices above the Poco F3, and for Mi Pad users, it will be accessible on devices above the Xiaomi Pad 5. These are just speculations, but are you excited about this new update? Let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more similar content in the future.